I love this because there's so much collagen. You know, when you eat something, you eat like a really awesome dish that like kind of makes your lips a little sticky. It creates that really luxurious mouthfeel. So I have all the ribs here kind of taken off. There's a lot of really good meat here. I'm just gonna season it very evenly with some salt. So I have a fair amount of olive oil on the bottom of this pan. I have a little bit of butter, garlic. And I don't want this to brown at all. I just want to kind of infuse it really quickly. And I have the sofrito, pine nuts. There's some rosemary in. I'll take some Bailey's, do some Japanese whiskey, and then we'll add our wine. The alcohol just makes it taste really good. You want to like kind of let the wine come up to almost covering, but not completely covering. Once the meat is almost completely immersed in liquid, put a piece of parchment on top of this. The good thing to look for are these little bubbles from underneath the parchment paper. Really gentle bubbles, nothing too crazy. I like that it's really nice and rustic. Pork rib sugo is done. And so today I'm gonna make this with ramen. It's alkaline noodles, so there's no egg in it. It uses an alkaline salt to set the dough, and it gives this really, really chewy, springy texture. I'm gonna pull a little bit of the pasta water here. It's gonna help me make this sauce. So what we're looking for here is a nice glossy texture. When you pull it back like that, there should be sauce that kind of runs from underneath it, but not a lot. And if you do it right, you don't even have to add salt, you just add a little bit of cheese. One of the things that I love about Italian food is that when you eat it, there's no doubting that it's satisfying. Kind of like Korean food too.